In this video, I am going to give you several examples of some very easy yet powerful affirmations that will help jumpstart your manifesting journey. And I will explain to you why affirming is so crucial to your manifesting results. I am also going to explain to you in this video why new and beginner manifestors need to script and speak and even think positive affirmations and why that affects the subconscious mind. But first, I want to just say I am very happy that you all came to my channel, because this is where you're going to learn to become larger than life and slay all negative and toxic words and thoughts. Before I give you some very specific, powerful affirmations, I want to first explain to you why affirming daily and as often as possible is so important to bringing about your desired results and manifestations. You see, we need to reprogram your subconscious mind. And usually, anybody who's new to manifesting has some programming going on in their subconscious mind that is going to be in direct conflict with their new desires. So we need to imprint and reprogram your subconscious mind with the right affirmations, using the right words, okay? So I also need you to understand something, that your subconscious mind, all of our subconscious minds, only hear words in the present tense. So we are not going to be using statements or words like, I hope my SP falls in love with me, or I hope I get my new dream career. We're not going to be using any statements or words like that whatsoever, okay? Scratch those right now, okay? They will not work for you. Rather, you will be using statements that start with I am or I will always. Okay, those are very powerful words to use, and in that sequence. Okay, so understanding their subconscious minds need to be reprogrammed and imprinted by using present tense words. I'm going to share with you some affirmations that I use interchangeably. I wrote them down, and I do know some of them by heart, but I want to make sure that I give them to you correctly instead of just on a whim. Okay, so one of the affirmations that I use is this one. I am a magnet for financial prosperity. I am open to the limitless abundance of the universe. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more abundant. And here's another one I use. I am open to receiving floods of financial abundance with ease. Okay, these are just some examples of the affirmations that I personally use. I use a bunch, okay? But these are some of my favorites as far as manifesting wealth in my life, okay? Now, I oftentimes use affirmations, like I said, that start with I will always. And I'm going to give you an example. This is something that I was manifesting a couple of decades ago. It was my dream vehicle. And I used this affirmation only twice. This is what I said. I will have a blue Toyota 4Runner. And I honestly have to say that I did manifest that blue Toyota 4Runner quite swiftly. Okay? In spite of other people saying, no, Julie, you can't afford that. You don't make enough money. Well, I proved them wrong. So anyways, and you can prove people wrong too. But a little secret tip right here. It's best to keep your desires to yourself. Okay? And in one of my next videos, not this next video, but in my future videos, I will explain why it is important to keep your manifestations and desires to yourself. But in this video, we are talking about powerful affirmations and why affirming for new manifestors is vital to getting your desired results as fast as you can get them, okay? So the more time you devote to affirming your new desires, the faster your subconscious mind gets programmed. And of course, the faster you get your manifestations, okay? Because there's no longer going to be conflict there. You have deleted the old programming that was once there, that was wreaking havoc in your life, honestly. Believe me, I know personally. I've gone through it. Okay, I have 50 plus years of this. So, anyways, affirm, affirm, affirm. But make sure all the words you use are present tense, okay, and that they're desires that you actually want. Okay, do not use statements like I hope or I wish. No, I'm sorry, but I don't mean to sound harsh, but they will not work, okay? So anyways, my next video for beginner manifestors is going to be all about self-identity, or in other words, self-concept. I personally like to use the word self-perception, honestly. But anyways, it's going to be another video devoted to new beginner manifestors or anybody who's curious to manifesting. Okay, I will explain why self-identity or self-concept is important to helping you reach your desired goals faster, okay? Like, share, comment down below if any of you, it doesn't matter if you're new to manifesting or you're a master manifestor, let me know if you have discovered any personal affirmations, powerful yet easy affirmations that have worked very fast for you. Because that might help the new beginners, jumpstart their manifesting results. Anyways, you can also comment below if any of my material is helpful to you. I would really like to know. The feedback is very important to the growth of my channel. So the more I hear from you, the faster my channel can grow. And I just like having that connection with you all, okay? Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.